YouTube people, today I'm going to show you how to make a Lego lawnmower. Alright, so what you're going to need is like this piece. You can like very common find it. Sorry. And get like these type of wheels. Hold it up to the camera. Wait, there's too much. You can't really see it because of the sunlight, but like get these wheels and like a piece like this for the wheels. 2 of them, of course. Get like an antenna piece, like a switch piece like this, like a back and forth, back. Right. A 2x1 spout piece. I call it a spout piece. This 1x1 like fudge piece or something. I don't know. And get like this piece. That looks like you could use as you could put like a 6x4 and no 2x6 and put it on and then use it as a wait as a what does it mean? As a casket. Alright. So you get this part and put it on like that. And get the wheels and put it under like this. And then get a 1x2 spout piece and put it in the back. Like that. And then you would want to get this part, like the hinge piece that I told you that was 1x1, and put it like this. Grab that piece and put it on. Like this. Alright, now you'd get the piece that I told you, and then just stick it on anywhere you want. Like that. And then you'd get this piece. You don't need it, but you just get it. So it looks cool. And then just put it on anyone, and then put it like in a corner, and then just push down the arrow, and then the antenna. So that's how you make a Lego lawnmower. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.